Good morning, my dear students. Today, we'll be learning about recurring form, recurring, or we call it repeating, decimal form into P by Q form. That is today's topic of standard 9th, all sections. Okay, so let's start the topic by taking some examples. The first example I'm taking here is 0.3 bar. That means what? The single digit 3 is getting repeated again and again in infinite number of times. So to start with this, let us understand these steps which needs to be followed to solve this question. So first of all, we need to declare a variable, let x, which is equals to 0.3 bar. So number 3 is getting repeated again and again. That implies x is equals to 0.333 and 3 dots represents the continuation, that is infinite number of times. Now we can see the repeating block has only one digit, that is 3. Okay, so repeating block is having only one digit, that is 3. So we multiply the repeating block, that is, let's take this as equation number 1. So multiply equation 1 by 10. If the repeating block is 2 digits, then we multiply by 100, so on and so forth. So the result will be 10x is equals to, after multiplying 10 with this particular decimal, the decimal shifts one step next. It shifts here, so it becomes 3.333. That becomes the equation number 2. Now we need to check whether equation number 1 and 2 having the same number of digits after the decimal. Is it coming same? Yes, it is. So if you see here, what I am talking about is 0.333 and this is 0.3333. So these two equations are having same digits after the decimal. So we stop the procedure here itself and then we proceed to the next operation, that is subtraction. So we subtract equation 1 from 2. The result will be 10x 3 decimal 333 and then x equals to 0.333 and then we subtract it. So what is the answer? 10x minus x becomes 9x and 3 and this becomes 0. That implies x equals to 3 by 9. After simplifying, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So x equals to 1 by 3. This is your answer. So this 1 by 3 is in the form of, what is, students? It is in the form of P by Q, where P is equals to 1 and Q is equals to 3. I hope you understood this topic. Okay. Let's take another example of another format. Say we have the next example as 2 decimal 4 and then 6. Top of 6 is the bar. That means number 6 is only one digit is getting repeated and another digit after decimal is not non-repeating decimal. Okay, so we go with the same process, little bit of changes there. So let's start with the solution now. Let x equals to 2.46 bar. That implies x equals to 2.4666. You can repeat along with me. Next is, let's declare this as equation number 1. Now, as you can see that the non-repeating decimal is only one digit, that is 4. So let us multiply the equation 1 by 10 first of all, because only one digit is non-repeating. So we'll multiply equation 1 by 10. That is the first step. So it will become 10x is equals to, now as I said, after multiplying a decimal by 10, the decimal moves to one step next. So this becomes 24.666. Okay, this is equation number 2. Now let's compare these two equations and see whether the decimal, after decimal, the digits are same or not. As we can see, the digit here after decimal is 4666 and here is 666. So they are not same here. So we go to the next process. We need to make it same. Okay. So we again, as we can see that only one digit is getting repeated again. So we multiply equation number 2 by 10 again. So what do we get? 100x is equals to 246 decimal 666. Okay, let's declare this as equation number 3. Now if you see equation 2 and 3, you observe here is after decimal the digits are coming same. So let us subtract now. Subtract equation 2, which is of less value, from equation 3. Equation 3 is 100x 246 666 ... and then we have 10x is equals to 24 decimal 666, and then subtract it. You get 100 minus 10 is, what value you will get, students? 90x is equals to 2, 2 and 2. Decimal 0, and then x is equals to by 90. This is called as transposition method. We transfer the constants to the right hand side, keeping the variable to the left hand side, and put that implies sign as well. After simplifying, you can do the successive subtraction method also. You can simplify these two numbers, numerator and denominator, by dividing this given number by the common factor. It becomes 111 upon 45. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 111 upon 45. Again it is 3, so this will go by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, and 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So finally we get the P by Q value as 37 divided by 15. I hope the content is clear with you all. That's all from today's class, students. We meet next with the new topic. Thank you very much.